In this video, we are going to share with you how this new and exclusive strategy works to double, triple, or even quadruple your current affiliate commissions. Hey, it's the team at tagvideo.live, your source of free and effective digital marketing coaching. We've helped hundreds of students learn how to get free online traffic and earn high-ticket commissions, grow their internet presence, and build successful online businesses in the shortest possible time. Make sure you stick around till the end, as we have an amazing freebie that helps you understand why you're not making the high-ticket commissions that you deserve. The reason for today's video is to introduce you to affiliate programs that are proven to pay massive commissions. Let us show you how to find such programs, how to get approved to promote them, and how you can easily scale your online income by promoting them. Why would you settle for low-ticket affiliate commissions if it takes the same time and effort to promote high-ticket items? How many $1,000 commissions would you need to replace your income? Let us show you how to get $10,000 a month in no time and discover how we teach our students how to scale their monthly commissions to any amount they want. Let our team show you how to navigate this ever-changing world of online sales and marketing and start earning high-ticket commissions quickly. Don't forget to hit the like button if you want more free marketing tips and subscribe to our channel.